Hey KW community, welcome back to Jo's Pie Maker Favourites. So I've been looking for the next recipe in the series, and in our house Nutella is only known to go on to pancakes, but I thought I might make an exception to this one when I came across Nutella donuts in the pie maker. Who doesn't want to be known as the best mum in the world? So anyway, Nutella it is. So this recipe, you start with, you can use a hand, like a bowl and spoon, but I thought for this it's a lot easier just to go straight to the KitchenAid. Sugar into the bowl, flour, just plain flour, and baking powder, all into the KitchenAid, and then we'll switch it on. Mix that up a little, and then as it's mixing we are going to add some butter, melted butter, and some egg, 2 eggs that have been lightly whisked, and some sour cream. And then we will just turn that up a little bit more and let that mix through nicely. So the batter is mixed together. I'm going to take the whisk off. Just pop that over here. The pie maker is being turned on and is heating up, and we are going to fill the holes in the pie maker to 3/4 full. These are going to be big donuts. So just flatten those down to leave some room for the Nutella. And then we're just going to put just over a teaspoon of the Nutella in each of them. So naughty, but so good. And then just cover the rest of the Nutella up with the batter. You just need to make sure the batter is covering all of the Nutella so it doesn't explode. There you go. Now we're just going to close the lid and cook these for a little bit. I can just see a little bit there. A little bit there. Close the pie maker up and let's see what comes out. Guys, I am back with the Sunbeam pie maker. The Nutella donuts are good to go. We are going to open them up and then we'll take them out. They're a little bit soft, these ones. I'm going to take that one into the butter. Spin them around, coat them in butter. And a bit more butter, a bit more cinnamon and sugar. And there you go. The kids are going to be pretty happy with that. Let's cut it open. Ooh, look at that. Bit of ice cream and we are sorted.